Let's get straight to it. Today, we're talking about a stock that's not just affordable but could potentially transform the way you think about investing. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this is the kind of opportunity that doesn't come around often. Imagine owning a piece of a company for less than $30. That's less than the cost of a nice dinner out or a tank of gas in some cities. But instead of spending that money, you could be putting it to work for your future. And this isn't just any company. This is a business that's aiming to disrupt the entire banking industry, a sector that's been dominated by the same old players for decades. Think about it. When was the last time you were truly excited about your bank? Probably never. But this company is changing that narrative. We're talking about a company building the future of money. One platform for saving, spending, borrowing, and investing. Imagine having all your financial tools in one place, with a seamless user experience that actually makes managing your money enjoyable. No more juggling multiple apps or dealing with clunky interfaces. Their technology is designed to integrate every aspect of your financial life. Whether you want to set up a savings goal, invest in stocks, pay your bills, or even get a loan, it's all possible within a single easy-to-use ecosystem. This level of integration is what sets them apart from traditional banks and even most fintech competitors. Their execution so far? Impressive. They've consistently delivered on their promises, rolling out new features and expanding their user base at a rapid pace. And right now, you have a chance to get in early, before this company becomes a household name. What's really exciting is how this company's ecosystem is incredibly sticky. It's not just attracting users, it's keeping them engaged. The younger tech-savvy generation is flocking to this platform, drawn by its convenience and modern approach. They're tired of dealing with legacy banks that feel outdated and impersonal. If you're looking for a hidden gem with massive upside, this could be it. Opportunities like this don't come around every day, and sometimes all it takes is one smart move to reshape your entire portfolio. Hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let's dive in. Banking is undergoing a once-in-a-century transformation. The way we manage, move, and think about money is being completely reimagined. For generations, banking meant brick-and-mortar branches, paper forms, and waiting in line. But today, the digital revolution is rewriting the rules. And it's only just begun. For decades, big banks dominated with high fees and outdated tech because customers had nowhere else to go. The experience was slow, impersonal, and often frustrating. If you wanted to open an account, transfer money, or apply for a loan, you had to play by their rules and schedules. Now, technology is breaking down those walls. The rise of the internet, smartphones, and cloud computing has shattered the old barriers, giving rise to a new era of financial freedom and innovation. Suddenly, anyone with a phone and an internet connection can access powerful financial tools from anywhere in the world. Smartphones have raised expectations for convenience and speed, and banking is finally catching up. People want to check balances, pay bills, and send money instantly, no matter where they are. The days of waiting for business hours or standing in line are fading fast. Fintech companies are offering faster, cheaper, and more user-friendly services than ever before. These startups are challenging the old guard, using technology to deliver seamless experiences and lower costs. They're not just improving banking, they're reinventing it from the ground up. The company leading this charge, SoFi Technologies, ticker SoFi. Founded in 2011, SoFi set out to disrupt the traditional banking industry by leveraging technology to make financial services more accessible, transparent, and user-friendly. In a world where big banks often felt impersonal and outdated, SoFi aimed to create a digital-first experience that put the customer at the center. First, they unbundled banking, one app for payments, another for investing, another for loans. This gave consumers more choice and flexibility, letting them pick the best tool for each job. Suddenly, you didn't need to rely on a single bank for everything. Now we're entering the rebundling era. Consumers want everything in one place. Managing multiple apps is confusing and time-consuming, so the next wave of innovation is about bringing all your financial needs together in a single unified platform. The company that can bundle checking, savings, loans, and investments into a single seamless app will have a huge edge. Imagine opening one app and seeing your entire financial life, spending, saving, borrowing, and investing, all in one place, with smart insights and personalized recommendations. This is the holy grail of fintech, owning the customer's entire financial life. Whoever builds the best all-in-one platform will become the hub for millions of people's money, decisions, and dreams. It's about trust, convenience, and creating a relationship that lasts for decades. Whoever gets there first will be nearly impossible to dislodge. The winner will set the standard for digital banking, shaping how we all interact with our money for years to come. The stakes are enormous, and the race is on. That's the opportunity we're looking at today. The digital banking revolution is just getting started, and the next chapter will be written by those bold enough to seize it. SoFi started by refinancing student loans for high-earning young professionals, Henrys, or high earners, not rich yet. These were ambitious college graduates and young professionals with strong earning potential but significant student debt. By offering lower rates and a streamlined digital process, SoFi quickly became the go-to lender for this demographic, helping them take control of their financial futures. This gave them a loyal, upwardly mobile customer base. These customers weren't just looking for a loan. They wanted a partner to help them navigate all aspects of their financial lives. SoFi's early focus on community, networking events, and career support helped foster a sense of belonging and trust that traditional banks often lacked. From there, SoFi expanded into personal loans, home loans, and a full suite of financial services. They recognized that their members' needs didn't stop at student loans, so they built a platform that could support every major financial milestone, from buying a car or home to managing everyday expenses and planning for retirement. SoFi Money acts as both checking and savings. SoFi Invest lets you trade stocks, ETFs, and crypto commission-free. This all-in-one approach means members can manage their cash, invest for the future, and even access financial planning tools, all from a single app. The convenience and simplicity of this integrated platform is a major draw for tech-savvy consumers. Their strategy? Get you in for one product, then cross-sell you everything else. By offering a seamless digital experience and personalized recommendations, SoFi encourages members to explore new products and deepen their relationship with the platform. The more products you use, the stickier the ecosystem, and the less likely you are to leave. This interconnectedness creates a powerful network effect, making it increasingly convenient for members to keep all their financial activities under one digital roof. This land and expand model lowers customer acquisition costs and drives growth. Instead of spending heavily to attract new users for every product, SoFi can focus on deepening relationships with existing members, increasing their lifetime value. More products per member means more revenue and higher profitability. As members adopt additional services, SoFi benefits from increased engagement, more data, and greater opportunities to tailor offerings to individual needs. SoFi isn't just a fintech, it's building a comprehensive digital financial ecosystem. By integrating banking, investing, lending, and financial planning, SoFi aims to be the one-stop shop for all your money needs, accessible anytime, anywhere. That's the core of the SoFi investment thesis. Investors are betting that this digital-first, all-in-one approach will win over a new generation of consumers who expect more from their financial institutions. Let's see what sets them apart, and why SoFi could be a game-changer in the world of digital finance. The biggest catalyst for SoFi? Its national bank charter. Before, SoFi relied on partner banks, limiting profits and flexibility. In 2022, SoFi became a national bank, gaining full control over deposits and lending. Now they fund loans with member deposits, boosting profit margins through net interest income. This structure accelerates profitability and lets SoFi offer better rates to customers. The bank charter also boosts SoFi's credibility, no longer just a tech startup, but a regulated financial institution. Few fintechs have achieved this, giving SoFi a major edge. It's a game-changer for growth and trust. That's why this moment matters. SoFi's business stands on three pillars. First, lending, student loans, personal loans, home loans. This is the revenue engine, supercharged by the bank charter. Second, financial services, checking, savings, investing, credit cards. This is the super app vision, deepening customer relationships and increasing product adoption. The more products per member, the stickier the ecosystem and the higher the lifetime value. Third, technology platform. More on that soon. Lending brings in profits. Financial services builds loyalty and engagement. Cross-selling is the secret sauce, turning single product users into lifelong members. As financial services scales, it will become a major profit driver. Together, these segments create a powerful growth engine. SoFi isn't just a lender, it's a diversified financial powerhouse in the making. Let's look at their ultimate vision. SoFi's goal: to be the center of your financial life, not just loans, but the first app you check in the morning, the card you use daily, and the platform for your investments. This financial super app creates a powerful moat, integrating all your financial needs in one place. Most fintechs focus on one thing. SoFi is executing a multi-product strategy at scale, backed by a national bank charter. The result: high switching costs and deep customer loyalty. Each new product adopted makes SoFi harder to leave. This stickiness leads to higher lifetime value and recurring revenue. SoFi is building a fortress, one product at a time. That's the kind of vision smart investors look for. Now let's see how the numbers back it up. SoFi's growth is undeniable. Member count is soaring, up 40-50% year over year, now topping 8 million. Even more impressive, members are using more products, proving the super app strategy works. The cross-selling flywheel is spinning. Each member becomes more valuable over time. Financially, SoFi is delivering strong revenue growth and achieved GAAP profitability in late 2023. Profitability is expected to accelerate as both lending and financial services scale. Yes, the stock is volatile, typical for high-growth disruptors, but volatility creates opportunity for long-term investors who believe in the vision. At under $40, SoFi offers a compelling entry point for those betting on the future of digital finance. Let's talk about SoFi's secret weapon. The third pillar, SoFi's technology platform, powered by Galileo. Galileo provides the backend for other fintechs, think payment processing, account management, and card issuance. SoFi's competitors often use Galileo, so SoFi profits even when rivals win customers. This picks and shovels approach means steady recurring B2B revenue, less tied to lending cycles. Galileo's client base is growing, adding stability and diversification to SoFi's business. Plus, tech developed for Galileo can enhance SoFi's own products. Lending, financial services, and technology together makes SoFi resilient and diversified. It's not just a digital bank, it's a full-stack financial technology platform. SoFi Technologies sits with a market capitalization of $32.22 billion, a price-to-earnings ratio of 47.71, and earnings per share of 56 cents. In 2024, the company generated revenue of $2.61 billion and recorded net income of $479.13 million, a snapshot that captures both its growth in top-line sales and the profitability investors will be weighing against that relatively elevated PE. Every investment has risks, SoFi is no exception. Competition is fierce, with big banks and tech giants fighting for market share. Economic downturns could increase loan defaults and slow growth. SoFi's focus on high-quality borrowers helps, but no one is immune to recessions. Execution risk is real. Building a seamless super app is a massive challenge. Any missteps in tech, security, or integration could hurt growth. But for those who want deeper analysis and exclusive insights, check out the Stocks Galore Patreon, link in the description. Always weigh the risks before investing. Now let's wrap up. SoFi is rapidly growing, cross-selling products and building a sticky ecosystem. The national bank charter and Galileo platform give it a unique edge. The vision of a financial super app is the future, and SoFi is leading the charge. As members' financial needs grow, SoFi is positioned to serve them for decades. The long-term potential is huge, but the journey will have ups and downs. For believers in digital finance, SoFi is a powerful way to invest in the trend. What feature do you think will decide the winner in digital banking? User experience, fees, rates, or something else? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.